I think one of the biggest misconceptions that women might have about working in manufacturing is that you need to be a car person. Of course, if you are a car person, that's great. But the thing that would really drive me is the problem solving that comes with it and the satisfaction once you actually get whatever it is that was previously not working to work. My name is Sylvia Lupa. I work at Valiant TMS as a R&D engineer. I started off as a technical application engineer and recently have been promoted to R&D. My day-to-day at Valiant TMS is pretty different depending on what it is that's going on with the company, but most of the time I'm there to support obviously my team, but also everything that's going on the manufacturing side. I am very involved with HoloLens support, so whenever there's something going wrong with our line, I am there to inspect using HoloLens. My proudest accomplishment in my career so far has been transitioning to R&D. I first began as a technical application engineer with the dimensional department. I was part of the group that was implementing the new technologies that we found successful on the plant floor and customer facilities. And since then, I've became part of the group that will be actually developing and exploring new technologies. In my experience as a woman in manufacturing, I would say there's definitely been some challenges, but at the same time, it is super rewarding. I think the best part is working with other women in the field. We're all really there for each other and we're all rooting for each other, which I think is something that we definitely need more of. In terms of my development at Valiant TMS, I'm really excited to learn different types of programming languages, vision systems, how they work, machine learning, and anything else within the realm of Industry 4.0.